I'm Debbie Knox with a Live United education story. These are the precious children at Bethany Daycare. They're the reason the United Way spent close to $90,000 making upgrades to this facility, housed within a church on the Indianapolis South Side. Director Deborah Rohrman shows us how Bethany is better and safer because of its relationship with United Way.
And they put in fire doors, fire safety exit doors over there, and fire alarm systems.
The doors are so important because if there would be a fire, each classroom has a way to get out of this building.
Exactly.
When this ministry started in 1996, the building was not up to code. But with help from the United Way, it's achieved an important Level 1 Paths to Quality certification.
This was originally a utility closet, and in order to meet the licensing regulations, we had to open up into a direct access to the restroom. So they moved an electrical panel, which was a very expensive proposition to do, and built this in here, and then they have access to this restroom.
Many of the families at Bethany qualify for subsidies.
Many people are in very low income jobs, and daycare is a very expensive proposition for those families.
So this is pretty affordable here then?
Yes, yes.
Dr. Ted Maple is the Director of Early Childhood with the United Way.
Bethany was a great candidate for this partnership. They serve a large number of families in need of affordable child care, and we saw an opportunity to help by providing a lot of the upgrades to the facility, some dollars and scholarships for training and education, as well as some materials to support the curriculum that they provide.
Bethany is one of 80 child care ministries in central Indiana which partnered with United Way.